Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on how to look put together and classy. Now you all know that I've recently been focusing more on looking more minimal and classic and staying away from trendy pieces. So let's get into this video and I'm going to start off with some of the tips. So my first tip is to have minimal clean nails. And when I say minimal nails, you can still get your gel nails if that's what you're into, but personally I really wanted to take care of my nails. The first thing that people see when they look at your hands is your nails, and you want to have them looking very fresh and clean. So my two favorite shades is, there's a pale one from Chanel which I think it's like ballerina, and there is one from OPI called Bubble Bath I believe, and yeah, those are my two favorite really pale kind of neutral tones. I did just paint my nails yesterday. I would ideally like them to be longer, but I am trying to help them recover from all the damage over getting my nails done, and I did try and do my nails at home like a few months ago, and they still have like certain bumps in them. You can see how fresh and clean they do look. So yeah, personally for me that was something that I changed to look more put together and fresh and clean, and I just really like how it looks. Like you can still get like a French manicure as well, which I really love. I do want to try and do that at home myself, but I need to grow out my nails first, and then I'm going to try the hack of using the beauty blender with some like white polish to the top. So the next tip is to have a capsule wardrobe, and that is basics. So let's say a white basic shirt. This one kind of has flowy sleeves and that's why I really like it. And on the topic of basics, I want to do a little unboxing today. I was kindly gifted some pieces from Fairfax and Favor, so I want to do an unboxing in this video. My outfit right now is from them. I picked out this little gilet, and I'll do a close-up as well so you can see it better, but I do have the two boxes here beside me of other things that I picked out. And this company is handcrafted in England, and they're made with real suede and leather, so only the best quality, and I just love how good the pieces feel and like how high quality they are. I love local companies, whether it be like Irish or English or Scottish even. They always do the best quality. So I have these other pair of shoes that I picked out as well. I really wanted some espadrilles coming into springtime, and I picked out these ones, and they have their little logo on the front. They also do like gorgeous boots as well. So if you are in the market for some nice boots for springtime, they do a bunch of different colours and the quality is amazing. So I will link any of the things that I'm speaking about in the description box below. But yeah, these are the little espadrilles. You can see their emblem is on the front, and they have a little kind of navy detailing on the back. And it's kind of funny, I was never into navy, but recently I've been really getting into navy mixed with this kind of tan shade. So yeah, I just love these, and you're going to see me wearing these a lot coming up to spring and summertime. So they came in these individual little bags, and they are drawstring bags. So I just adore when companies do really well made packaging, because it just makes a difference when you're opening a product. It just feels really luxurious. It's very similar to a high-end brand like Louis Vuitton or Chanel. Just the way that they do the packaging just really makes it exciting when you are unboxing it. And then the box that the gilet came in is this huge box here. It's hard to even show because it's so big. So I have two more things to show you. I picked up some of these boot socks, and these go perfectly with the boots that they sell. I will definitely have to pick up a pair of their boots, but I am going to switch to these. I have on black ones right now, and I love how it has a nude kind of top on here. So this is what these ones look like up close. They have the logo here as well, and really cute packaging. And then I also picked up a pair of socks for my boyfriend. This brings me into the whole section of the menswear and shoes and gorgeous loafers that they have. They even have travel bags for men. So this would be a perfect idea to pick up for Valentine's Day. So this is what they look like up close. They feel really thick and really good quality compared to any other, if you pick them up in Primark or H&M. And these pieces will last you for years as well, so it's not like you're investing in something that's just going to fall apart in a couple of weeks. I love how thick and lined the quality is. So yeah, definitely don't forget to go and check out their website, and all of their products I will have it linked in the description box below. And I just personally love everything that they have on the website. Like, there's not one thing that I would be like, oh, I'm not sure about that. I love everything. It's very country style, equestrian style, and I feel like that's very in at the moment. So as I was saying, investing in basic pieces like this shirt and this gilet that you will have for years. So I did do a TikTok on this, on all like basics from Zara. So you're gonna need like trousers, blouses, a camel coat, some basic loafers in neutral colours. It doesn't mean that you have to stick to like beige and white. Like a dark navy and dark kind of red is really nice and classic looking, and I personally think they are the most luxurious colours that are out there, like a deep emerald kind of green. So stick to those kind of tones. Get yourself a basic dress, kind of like a slip dress. Just build around the capsule wardrobe, and then you will never be stuck for outfits, and you will always look put together and classic and kind of fresh and clean. I know that clean girl aesthetic is very popular on TikTok right now, but I love a mix of the clean girl with old money aesthetic as well. So that brings me on to my next tip, is to get good quality clothing, which I basically just spoke about. It's very self-explanatory. Stop shopping in Primark and, you know, all those places that the quality just declines after one wash. You need to be picking up pieces that are hand wash only. I know a lot of Zara stuff isn't hand wash only, but I actually do hand wash a lot of my stuff. So anything that is hand washable or delicate is going to last you for years. Fabrics like wool, tweed, you don't want to be buying stuff that's like, you know, 100% polyester, I'm pretty sure. Like cotton is okay, that's another really good one. But any of those fake fabrics, and especially if you're shopping on Shein, do yourself a favour and stop shopping on there. I'm sorry if that offended anyone, but you clicked on this video to see how to look classy and put together, and Shein is just not one of those places. So the next tip that I have is to look after your hair and invest in products that makes it look very fresh, silky, and not like dried and in bad condition. You want it to look always put together and fresh, like you just washed it. You can use a little bit of dry shampoo on day 3 to make it look more, you know, freshened up again. That's what I did today with my hair. And you always want to use a nice heat protectant and oil. If I had to recommend 2 brands of hair like products to you, it would be Olaplex and Kerastase. They are the best, the only ones that I use, and of course Dyson as well. I will be getting the what's it called, Peruvian Blue Dyson, which is a big step for me, by the way, because I did say that I never used to like navy or blue, which I really do now. And I already have the Dyson hairdryer. So just invest in your hair and you're not gonna look messy with dried, you know, blonde hair. So the next tip is to invest in 1 to 3 really good bags. So whether that be Gucci, Coach, Fairfax and Favor have gorgeous bags as well, or Louis Vuitton. You know, I all love Louis Vuitton. You don't have to like spend a lot. Another good brand is Longchamp as well. They do really nice classic bags that have been around for years. They're never going to go anywhere. I did have a pink one, but I sold it. I want to pick up like a navy one, I think, or like a beige or brown kind of tan colour. So just invest in 3 bags. Please don't go off and buy multiple bags from Primark and H&M and Zara. You know, those bags that they're just not functional and they don't last. I saw a video recently and she had a Shein bag when she was on holiday, and it just fell apart. So you don't want that to happen to your bag. You have a lot of valuables in there, and especially when you're traveling, you want to have really good quality bags as well as travel bags as well. Invest in your travel bags. As I said, Fairfax and Favor do gorgeous travel bags, like suede and navy kind of ones. So my next tip might offend a few people, but I honestly think gold looks much better than silver jewellery. I don't mind the look of like mixed silver and gold, or like diamonds. Basically, silver jewellery just doesn't look as luxurious and expensive. So this ring that I have on right now, I know it's not real gold, it's from Louis Vuitton, but the back has a little bit of silver, and I just think it's nice. It's not like too over the top. I can get away with wearing a small bit of silver. So my next tip would be to do fresh and glowy makeup. I know that we all used to love the over the top eyeliner and like streaky highlighter back in the day, But I think a lot of people have realised in 2021 and now this year that fresh makeup is the way to go. It looks very clean, you look put together, and you're never going to look cakey if you do like a light layer of makeup. So that's something that I realised like a couple of years ago, and I really cut back on the highlighter, the eyeshadow and everything like that. And a lot of people have switched to cream products as well, which are much better than powder because you just look, you know, fresher and younger. So my second last tip is to don't follow the trends. So when trends come out, you can be tempted to follow them, especially if you see them on TikTok, but don't give in to the hype. I know Uggs are on trend right now, and I literally just sold my Uggs, like the ones that I have with the bow, a couple of months ago, and then the Uggs came back on trend and I was like, are you serious right now? But it was like the mini ones that came back on trend. I know they are really comfortable and they're practical like for traveling and stuff, but if you think about it, they're just a trend, and they were being called chuggy a few months ago and now they're currently on trend. So don't fall for any of the trends, stick to the classics. If you do look into styling and go on Pinterest, you'll see kind of what's been around for years and things that are going to be in style. A lot of the old money pieces will always be classics, so I would personally stick to those. And my last tip for this video is something that I've been working on. I do follow all the rest of them, but this one I'm trying so hard to like sort out so I can feel better, look fresher and wear less makeup, and that is to invest in good skincare. Now I have tried to invest in good skincare just because you're buying, like, you could go off and buy La Mer and it mightn't work for your skin. Just look into what kind of skin type you have and find the products that will work for you, and don't overcomplicate it. That's what I'm trying to do, and it's proven very hard. My skin is not happy with me right now for some reason. I'm trying to figure out why. But once I have my skin cleared up, I'm going to be wearing a lot less makeup and feel fresher and have those no makeup days, or even just put on like tinted moisturizer, some cream blush and some mascara and just feel and look fresh. When your skin is clear, you're going to feel better, you're going to look more put together, and it's easy to just do like a slick back hair look if your skin is clear. Whereas if your skin is not clear, you're going to want to pile on more makeup, which in turn is going to make you look cakey. So that is my last tip for this video. I hope this helped you all out if you want to look classier and put together. And don't forget to follow me on my Pinterest as well. I do pin a lot of outfits on there if you're looking for inspiration. And I always do mention my favourite products on my Instagram every now and again, and I try and link them as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!